You can drag alpha textures using the drag.stroke method one by one, but you can also take advantage of the radial array that is available in Sculpt mode. Go to Sculpt mode and press E for the stroke menu and choose drag dot. Set a radial value on the axis that you want. Now you can drag dots in a radial pattern. You can choose one or several angles on which to sculpt with a radial array. Click on New Texture to load a new alpha texture. Make sure Mapping is set to Area Plane. Now you can create a radial array of hard surface details like bolts.